everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today I'm going to take you through some amazing new plants that I got. It's a really random batch of plants, but I'm super excited, so let's get started. Ooh, and by the way, this is the giveaway plant that one of you probably by now has already won. Might be fun to see it again. I showed you it already. But yeah, here's a new leaf that unfurled in my care. I'm so happy I was able to keep it happy and alive. And it has a little secondary fenestration already. So yeah, that sits here with us as we look at these plants. Let's actually start with a plant I got a while ago that I didn't really share anywhere with you. It's a bit random. This is a Hoya memoria that I got from a garden center nearby, the Bosrand. I don't know why, but it just spoke to me. Sometimes I am so attracted to the most random plants, and this was one of them. And maybe you can see the new leaves are quite red, which I absolutely loved. There's a lot of new growth. It seems to be doing quite well now. They always need a bit of settled time, of course, in the house. And there's a nice splash on the leaves. I don't know, I just really liked it. And of course it wasn't very expensive. It was €9. So I brought it home. Whoops, I'm gonna put that back here because the other plants are a lot smaller and you'll need the empty space to see them. Just a quick request, it really helps me if you can watch this video all the way through to the end and engage with it. So maybe put the thumbs up or leave a comment. That really helps me. So thank you so much if you're able to do that. Today I actually visited my top two favorite garden centers in the Netherlands. You'll probably have seen that in a different video already, but I wanted to share with you what I bought there. And the first one is this tiny Peperomia caparata that is kind of orangey red. I've always liked this one, but they were always quite big, and I like my plants to be small because of space mostly. So my friend Micha pointed this out because he knew I liked it and I bought it. I have no idea if I can keep it alive because the other Peperomia caparata that I have, the apricot one, I'm looking at it now, it's behind you on the vensterbank, the windowsill. It looks horrible. So I need to figure out a better way to take care of Peperomia because they are really cute. Ooh, and if you haven't seen it yet, this is my new terrarium. I already owned all the little Phottonias, but I recently, yesterday actually, decided to make it into a little separate planted terrarium because these were sitting in my big terrarium and they were just not looking as nice as they could be. They weren't getting the attention that they deserve. So now this is sitting here and the Peperomia gets to chill with it for a little bit. Also pretty random. I don't know what was up with me today, but I bought these Lithops. These were both from Intratuin Amsterdam. And I really like these because they're very small, but also they're very red and pinkish. This was €4. And as you can see, there's lots of different patterns on the little top. Oops. Spilling stones, actual stones everywhere, not living stones. Yeah, I really like them. I have no idea if I can take care of them, but I've got my big light now, so I feel like I have a better chance with succulents. What shall we do next? I met up there with a person I met through Instagram, Aidana, and she had told me that she had something for me. And I still can't believe it. She found these little bulbs on her Alocasia Frydek, and she cut them off and put them in, what's the name of it? The white stuff. You know what oh, this is typical head injury. I say this word every day, but you know what I mean, the little white bits. Perlite, there we go. And a leaf came out and she gave it to me. So now I own one of my absolute wish list plants and I love it so much. I'm so thankful to her. You can already see the beautiful velvet on it. Woohoo! I forgot to film this when I filmed the whole video and now it already has a new leaf opening. How cool is that? I can't wait to see it. Semi-hydro. I'm absolutely super happy about this. This is called Frida, of course. Frida the Frydek. And then we got Lily the Lithops. And Petra the Peperomia caparata. And then she also gave me these. I knew about the Frydek, but I didn't know about this. Oh wait, did I show you the Frydek up close? It's very small, so I need to show you real close. I love it so much, Frida. So then she also brought me this cutting of a Syngonium confetti, which is adorable. It's like light green leaves with little pink splashes. Let's see if we can show you up close. I don't know if this will focus on the leaves or on my face. So hopefully you can see that. And she said the roots are super long. They are as long as the sphagnum. So I'm going to put that, plant that up somewhere. Oh, and I named this one Connie because I was in the car on the way back. I was naming all these plants. So we have Frida, Connie, Lily, and Petra so far. And then we went to Global Garden afterwards because it's kind of on the way back. So why not go to both of my favorite garden centers in the world, right? And I bought this adorable little Stephania erecta, which I was definitely not planning on buying, but I couldn't resist. I never really understood when people posted about it. I never really understood the appeal of this plant, but if you look at those leaves, they are so beautiful. And now I get it, I guess. I can, even when I look against the light, the veins, they're kind of see-through. This way you can really see against the light how the veins pop. I think it's stunning. I never thought this plant would be this pretty. And look at the huge codex. Well, it's tiny, but it's the biggest one I've got. And so here is the 2 stems that are already growing. And then there's one, can you see that? One tiny stem in the corner there. It's just stunning. I'm so surprised that I actually like this. And I hope I can keep it alive. I have no idea how to keep a codex plant, how to like take care of it. So please don't ask me for tips. I'm still figuring it out myself. But yeah, I really, really like it. And I think it's actually also flowering. I don't know if you can see that because they are tiny. If I put it here and put my hand behind it, maybe? I hope so. I feel like it grows a little bit like a Hoya from the looks of it. So of course that's called Steffi. And then I wanted to show you 2 more plants. Oh, I put soil everywhere. So these are my 2 baby Anthurium scandens that I got as seedlings from a friend. She gave them to me for free when I ordered some pots from her. So that's really lovely, Mirte, from the plant account. And they're actually growing quite well. So it's been really fun to have this sit in my terrarium and see them grow. And then the other ones I already posted, so you've seen them. But these are Anthurium crystallinums. Can you believe it? These are tiny, but the leaves are already velvet. I love it so much. And from what I've heard, the new leaves can develop very quickly into quite big leaves. So I'm really hoping that they like life in my terrarium and that they grow nice and big. Let me bring them up close to you. Hopefully, you probably see my face right now. So I'm really, really excited about these. As you probably know, I've been wanting more Anthurium, especially the velvet ones. So I'm super excited to see how these grow. And I completely forgot to show you this. This is a Soleiloliae that my friend Rogier got himself. So it has the, what is it called? The discovery information of where it was found, like botanical gardens do. And these are cuttings, but apparently they grow really well and really fast. So I can't wait to see this little baby grow. And I'm so sorry I forgot to include it in the haul video. Look how small that is compared to my face. This is the head test of all head tests. That's it already for this video. It's a short one, but I'm super excited with this very random collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.